Hi everyone, I'm here again with a new topic. How are you? You may be thinking that you know it already. What is new in it? Question how are you in English is same for all situations and for all types of persons. But in Hindi, this is not the case. How are you is different for different scenarios. After this lesson, I'm sure you will never make a mistake when you ask someone, how are you? So, straight to the topic, let's start. Let us understand what is formal and informal conversation in Hindi. Formal conversation is generally with elders, seniors, or strangers. Informal conversation is generally with youngers or siblings, juniors, or friends. While talking to anyone in Hindi, you should either have formal or have informal conversation. Remember, in Hindi, you should not mix these two. Recall from previous lessons, informal you is tum and formal you is aap. Remember, for informal conversation, you always use tum and your sentence should finish with ho. So remember, tum ho. For formal conversation, you start with aap and finish with hain. Aap hain. Let us talk now about sentence how are you? How in Hindi can be kaisi or kaise. Depends on the second person you. If you is female, how will be kaisi. But if you is male, how will be kaise. While talking in Hindi, you first choose to speak either in formal or informal way, depending on whom you are talking to. For example, if you are talking to elders, it has to be a formal conversation. After that, you have to see whether you are talking to a female or a male. Based on these two things, you will decide how to talk. Let us learn this using some examples. The person here is asking, how are you to his grandparents and to his friends. First, understand his formal conversation with his grandmother. Formal sentence will be, aap hain. For female, it will be, aap kaisi hain. Similarly, for his formal conversation with his grandfather will be, aap kaise hain. Now understand informal conversation with his friends. Informal sentence will be, tum ho. For female, it will be, tum kaisi ho. Similarly, for male, it will be, tum kaise ho. So, can you see how are you is said in 4 different ways in Hindi. Let's revise formal and informal talking to female. Formal, आप कैसी हैं? Informal, तुम कैसी हो? Let's revise formal and informal talking to male. Formal, आप कैसे हैं? Informal, तुम कैसे हो? Quiz time now. I will show you some pictures, speech bubbles, and a timer. You have to tell me what the person is saying in Hindi before the time gets over. So let us start. Reena is asking Rohan, "How are you?" Time starts now. तुम कैसे हो? Did you get it right? Next question. Ruby is asking Mrs. Sarah, "Mrs. Sarah, how are you?" Time starts now. Mrs. Sarah, आप कैसी हैं? If you get all correct, let us move to the next question. Reena is taking her grandfather out for a walk. Grandfather asks Reena, "Reena, how are you?" Can you tell me how he will say this in Hindi? Your time starts now. रीना, तुम कैसी हो? Next scenario. Boss has called Lucy to discuss something. Lucy says, "Sir, how are you?" How she will say this in Hindi? Your time starts now. Sir, आप कैसे हैं? I hope you got all correct. I hope you enjoyed the quiz and learned to say "How are you?" in Hindi. Please like, comment, and share my videos with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe my channel if you haven't done so far. Thanks for watching. See you soon in my next video. फिर मिलेंगे. नमस्ते.